Ladies and gentlemen, today we have another amazing product review by yours truly, Life Made Easy. Got an interesting one. This is definitely not something I get every day. A company called Dragon Touch reached out to me and wanted to send me a portable monitor. Like, how crazy is that? So this is basically a secondary display for a variety of different devices. Mostly, I think it's utilized if you're using a PC and want another display if you're working with a lot of spreadsheets or worksheets in Excel or Word or PowerPoint, what have you. But yeah, so this is not going to be the full, and it also works with iOS and Android. So if you want to like have another screen with your iPhone or tablet or something like that, you can do that as well. And it also works on consoles. So Nintendo Switch, PS4, as well as Xbox One. Super cool. So it has dual speakers, a portable, so what am I saying? It's a portable monitor, and it's 15.6 inches in display. So it's 1080p. So it does have those speakers, which is nice. And here's the back, by the way. So this is not going to be like an in-depth review. This is going to be like a first impressions sort of thing, unboxing and first impressions. If you guys haven't already, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you guys know exactly when I upload in the future. And also check out the College Made Easy podcast linked below. If you guys go subscribe over there, I'm going to be doing shout outs for all you guys. So stay tuned. So yeah, this is good for your daily work, business meetings, entertainment, on-the-go stuff, and then some just technical specifications. It's black, obviously. It's IPS, 1080p, visual angle, horizontal 85 degrees and vertical 85 degrees. So 15.6 inches in a 16:9 aspect ratio, and then it's 9-watt output. So micro USB port, USB Type-C port, and a mini HDMI port, and it comes with a variety of different cables and adapters and stuff like that. So I got my trusty Smith & Wesson knife here. Stay safe, kids. Don't use a knife unless you absolutely have to, and always cut away from yourself. So I'm gonna do that, and then put my knife away. And so I'm gonna tear the plastic off all this. I'm also when I go back to school in the fall, I'm actually gonna be utilizing this. So shout out to Dragon Touch for actually sending this out, because I was actually some of my classes are online. So the fact that I kind of need a dual monitor setup at the moment, because I want to get more stuff done and be more productive, and one screen isn't enough, honestly. So how do I get this thing out of the box? That is the question. Oh, there we go. We got progress. Here we go. This, it says, oh geez, Enlighten Modern Life Dragon Touch. So that's their logo. I'm sorry, that's their slogan. Pretty good slogan, not gonna lie. So yeah. And then we have the display itself, which I'm gonna put off to the side because gotta save that for later. But here's the overall size of it. 15.6 inches, so it's the same exact size as my laptop. So you also get a activate 2 free year warranty, awesome, and get a 1-year worry-free screen protection now if you register. I'm probably not going to because I didn't pay for this, but as I said before, shout out to Dragon Touch for actually sending this out to me. So yeah, that's cool. That comes with a warranty if you actually purchase this for yourself. So it does come with a wall adapter to charge. Comes with this adapter, which, what is this? Mini display port to HDMI female right there, which is nice. Also comes with a USB-A. Oh no, that's not a USB-A, is it? I can't tell. Let me take this out of the bag real quick. And there's even more stuff in here, I think. Jeez. This thing comes with everything. That just fell off. I don't know what that was. A screw? Okay. But Okay, so that's HDMI, and then what is this? Oh, it's a mini HDMI. Okay, gotcha. So HDMI to mini HDMI. HDMI to mini HDMI, I can't speak. Got even more cables. I need these cables, by the way, like you have no idea. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. These are a dime a dozen. Get your USB cables. Apple, why haven't you switched to USB-C yet? I don't know. The world doesn't know. But whatever. And then we have a USB-A to USB-C. So this is great for me because I don't have that many USB cables. USB-C cables. I have a million USB or micro USB cables, but that's beside the fact. And then what else do we get in here? I don't think anything too interesting. Quick start guide. If you don't know how to use a monitor, it's pretty basic. You plug it into your laptop, and that's about it. I don't think there's anything else in there, so I'm gonna put that off to the side. Here are all the cables and everything. Let's get to the main thing at hand, which is the actual display itself. So if I could just get that off. Oh, it's thin. It's nice and thin. I think it comes with a stand. What is this? Portable monitor smart cover. Dude, this thing comes with like literally everything. Jeez. Okay, so here's the cover. This is dope. It's almost like cut myself on plastic. I didn't even know that's possible. But yeah, here's the smart cover. Throw this off to the side, don't need that. This is actually how you prop it up and stuff like that. I'm guessing I probably am doing this wrong, to be honest, but I'll figure it out. So yeah, here it is. It feels like leather. I don't know if it's authentic leather, but nice feel in the hand. So let's put that to the side and get to the actual monitor, the thing you guys have been waiting for. Ooh, so this is nice. I can tell right off the bat. Now I think this is a matte display. This doesn't look like gloss just because of the reflections I'm getting with this. Also, if you guys like my shirt, this is a shirt I got on sale at Kohl's during Christmas time with a stormtrooper on it. I'm a huge Star Wars fan, so very lightweight. This is really lightweight compared to what I thought it was going to be. But so we do have a menu button as well as a volume up and volume down button. And when I do my full review on this, I'm definitely gonna set this up with my laptop. So I have a dual screen setup, Dragon Touch logo right there. And on the back, we have the two dual firing speakers. On the side here, the left-hand side, we have a USB, I think it's a micro USB cable to charge, two USB Type-Cs, and a mini HDMI port. So no webcam on this, sadly. I can't do video calls or record with it, but that's fine. And if I could, I mean, I didn't even read the manual, but if I could somehow clip this, I think I need those screws. I'm gonna figure it out and get back to you guys on that. So guys, now I have the two displays set up. So on the right hand side, I have the actual Dragon Touch portable monitor, and over here we have my laptop. I'm just getting ready to edit this video on Filmora. So first impressions of this, it's a matte display, so obviously it's not going to be as good as my gloss 4K display that I have on my current Dell 7559 Inspiron laptop. However, it does the trick. I like that it's 1080p. The colors are not as vivid, obviously, as my Dell laptop, but it gets the job done, and I think for doing or having external work go over here, I think it's great, and you can really increase your overall productivity. So I'm just gonna, for final thoughts in this video, this quick overview of this product, I'd give it a check plus. It does the job well. It does what it says, or it sets out to do. So I'd highly recommend it. I'll put a link down in the description for you guys to go check this out on Amazon. Thank you so much for Dragon Touch sending me this out. I'll be doing a more comprehensive review coming in the future, giving you my overall thoughts. But yep, I will see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy. Peace out, guys, and check out the College Made Easy podcast if you haven't already.